Seventh Heaven is the title of a brand new paper pad from our friends at Mintay. Mintay is in Poland, and we're just delighted to welcome them to Paper Wishes. So the papers are 12 by 12. They are all double-sided, and they all have an extra sheet. It's on the back of the cover, and this has detailed art. Beautiful. There are 22 detailed pieces here, and you can just trim around the outside of them. They're just going to be so pretty to use. Then in addition, you're going to get a total of 12 more sheets. There are 6 designs. You're going to get 2 of each. So let me show you the first of them. And one thing I want to mention, if you are a card maker, you can think of this in pieces. So here's maybe one. Here is another, another's right there, maybe right there for another card. The back side, it looks like this. It's an all-over floral or all-over pattern. Here is another floral. Isn't that just really pretty? The sizing is just perfect. And then on the back of this, you've got a rich textured piece. Then we have more of the flowers, a little bit larger. And then on the back of that, very, very soft pink, kind of clouds. Here is another, and you can see, again, you can, if you're a scrapbooker, you know where you're going to put your photos. If you're a card maker, think of this in pieces. This has music notes in the background and a darker shade of blue for the back of it. More going on right here. Very, very pretty. Very detailed artwork. And then on the back side, we've got more of that kind of stripe with lace and flowers on it. Then we have a sheet of cutouts. Now you get 12 here, and you've got another sheet, so you're going to get 24 altogether. As you can see on this side, most of them have really a nice look of detail. On the back side, they're a little bit plainer, so in any way you use them, nothing goes to waste. And that's what I really appreciate about this paper collection and all of them that our new friends at Mintay do.